In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through mapping a drive letter to a network-attached storage, or NAS, device. If you're uncomfortable with this process or unsure how it will affect your current network setup, we recommend that you consult an IT professional or network administrator. Mapping a NAS device to a drive letter allows you to access files on the device just like any other drive on your computer. Multiple users can map drives to the same NAS from multiple computers, as long as the permissions are set up properly. This creates a shared storage space where permitted users can create files and work on them together. Although multiple users can't edit the same file at the same time, there are still many benefits and uses for accessing the same centralized information from different endpoints, so this is still a good procedure to know. To map a network drive to a NAS, the NAS must already be connected to your network. You then need to know how to identify the NAS on your network to connect to it. You can use either the device's host name, which is commonly written on a label on the case, or IP address. Depending on the setup, it's possible that the IP address may change over time, so using the host name is preferable. The manufacturer of the NAS should provide instructions you can use to connect the device to your network and identify it. After the NAS is set up, you can start mapping drives to it. Mapping drives can be done in many versions of Windows, but the steps look a bit different depending on the version. They all begin with navigating to a specific location on your computer. In Windows Vista and Windows 7, you can click the Windows Start button in the taskbar, then click Computer. In Windows 8, you can press the Windows key and S key at the same time on your keyboard to open the search charm. Type File Explorer in the search box, then click File Explorer in the results. When it opens, click This PC to make sure you're on the right screen. In Windows 10, you can just click the folder icon in the taskbar. If you don't see this icon, you can click the search box in the taskbar and search for File Explorer, much like the Windows 8 instructions. Then click File Explorer and click This PC to make sure it's selected. Now you're ready for the next step, which is opening the Map Network Drive dialog. In Windows Vista and 7, click the Map Network Drive option in the menu near the top. In Windows 8 and 10, you may first have to click the Computer tab to see the Map Network Drive button. Then click the button. When the dialog is open, the remaining process is the same in any Windows operating system. First, select your preferred drive letter that is currently not assigned to a drive. If any of these letters do have a drive assigned, you'll see their current network target address to the right of the letter. In the folder field, enter 2 backslashes, then the host name or IP address of the NAS device. To link directly to a shared folder on the NAS, enter another backslash, then the folder name. Finally, click Finish. You should see the mapped drive appear in the drives list in the Explorer window. If it fails to connect, make sure the NAS is still powered on and properly set up on your network. You may also have to further configure the permissions for your specific network environment.